Well, today we're at our favorite place, the Depot. As you can see, the weather's not great outside, so what we want to do is try to find something else to do, make some money, right? This is what it's all about. So we're at Home Depot today. We're going to look into getting some stuff to hang a TV with, specifically a magnet to help find the stud. So we're going to go in here and see if they have that available for us to purchase today. See if we go hang a TV later on. So we're going to do a step-by-step on that. But let's run in here real quick and check it out. Let's go. So if you look here, these are the magnets that you're going to need in order to find the studs in the wall. Keep it simple. Show you the rest later. Let's go. Well, leading up out of there, so found everything we need plus some. But let's go ahead and see if we can get this TV. Let's go. First thing you want to do is make sure you find the outlet that you're going to be using the TV on. Run your magnets up the wall, right or left side. Wherever it sticks at, you know you found your stud. It's just that simple. Keep it simple. And as always, we'll have a list of the tools that you need to install this. And we want to make sure we know how much money we're making, right? So to install a TV like you see here, you're looking at the national average anywhere from $150 to $350 to hang a TV. Save yourself some time. Go grab yourself a magnet. Also, like and subscribe and comment if you find this information useful. Let's go.